Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw BUSD from your Revolut account to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With evolving crypto regulations and the need for top-notch security, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move. This step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time, so let's dive right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Revolut account with BUSD in it, a Ledger Nano X device that's fully set up, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or mobile. Also, double-check that your Ledger is connected and unlocked. It's all about staying secure. Okay, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and navigate to the crypto section. Find your BUSD balance and select the withdraw option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the Ledger Live app on your device. Go to the Accounts section and select or create a BUSD-compatible wallet, like Ethereum, since BUSD is an ERC20 token. Make sure your Ledger is displaying the correct account. Always verify on the device itself to avoid any scams. Step 3. Back in Revolut, you'll need to generate and copy the wallet address from your Ledger. In Ledger Live, click on Receive for your BUSD account, and carefully note the address shown on your device's screen. Paste this address into the Revolut withdrawal field. Remember, never type this manually, copy and paste only. Step 4. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to withdraw, review the transaction details, and confirm. Revolut might ask for additional verification, like a PIN or biometric check, so have that ready. Once confirmed, the transaction will process, typically within a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion in 2025. A quick tip: keep an eye on fees. Blockchain transactions aren't free, so check the gas fees in Ledger Live before proceeding. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, ensure your addresses match and that BUSD is supported on the network you're using. And there you have it. Your BUSD is now safely tucked away in your Ledger Nano X. This not only enhances security but also gives you full control over your assets. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.